Hi everyone, if you are tired of manually collecting emails from different websites, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how you can easily extract thousands of email IDs in just a few clicks using Web Email Extractor Professional by Lantexsoft. Visit our website www.lantexsoft.com. Search Product Advanced Web Email Extractor Professional. Click the free trial button to download the software. Extract the downloaded file and install the software on your PC. Enter your login details and click the login button. Provide the website URL, select your desired option, and click the arrow button to add it to the list. Press the Start Search button to start the extraction process. Press the Filter List button to filter the email list. Click the Save Email List button to save the email list. Pick the file type and press the Save button. For more details, visit our website www.lantexsoft.com.